Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Classatam ventis liceat subducere classam, et silvis aptare trabes et stringere remos, si dator Italiam sociis et regere cepto tendere, ut Italiam laeti latiumque petamus. Let us draw up the fleet having been shattered by the winds, and let us prepare the beams from the forest, and to cut up the oars. If it is given for us to stretch into Italy with our allies and with our king having been recovered, this refers to Aeneas, and it is an ablative absolute. Ablative, ablative, ablative absolute. So that we happy ones may seek Italy and Latium. And here we have a purpose clause. Notice petamus is a present active subjunctive. We have an ut, and he's saying that they will do all of these things, they will prepare all of these things, so that, with the purpose that, the happy ones, we happy ones, may seek Italy and Latium. Up here we have a perfect example of synthesis. To prepare the beams from the forest, meaning to prepare the beams is like to repair the broken ships with beams and wood they get from the forest. And to stringere remos, to cut up, to bind tight the oars. So trabes is the direct object of optare, and remos is the direct object of stringere. So we have infinitive, direct object, infinitive, direct object. A, B, which is synthesis, interlocked word order. Up here we have a present active subjunctive saying let us do this, may it be allowed for us. You have to imply that there's a nobis here, liceat nobis, because liceat is an impersonal verb. So let it be allowed for us to draw up the fleet having been shattered by the winds. Present active subjunctive, impersonal verb. And remember, this is Ilioneus speaking to Queen Dido, and he's saying, let us do all these things, and if with our king having been recovered, with Aeneas having been recovered, received, if Aeneas is still around, let us stretch into Italy with our allies, so that we may seek Italy and Latium.